Before we begin, you'll need a cast iron pan, butter or coconut oil, bread, an egg, salt and pepper for seasoning. It's always a good idea to keep a parent close by to supervise. First things first, you need to have a clean area because it prevents contamination. And you also need to wash your hands because that helps too. So while we are at the sink, we need to get our soap, our water, wash our hands. After you wash your hands, you want to grab a piece of bread and cut it. Just about the size of this. I've already got one ready. And then you want to grab your butter. And put it on. Nice sizzling sound. And then you want to flip it once the butter is soaked in on that side. And after that, you want to grab some more butter. For that butter, that get on the other side. So now it is time to put your egg in. I already put my egg in a bowl so it'd be easier to pour in. You want to get the egg whites in there because it forms the wall on the side. Did you know that you could tell the difference between like factory farm eggs and free-range eggs from farms? Factory farm eggs are a more yellowy color when you crack it, and the free-range eggs, which have more nutrients, are orange color, which is fun fact for those egg fans. And time to flip. It's okay if there's a little explosion when you flip it. It always happens. You can clear it off later. That's the best with cast iron pans. But while it's cooking, you put a little pinch of salt over it. You're the master chef. It looks like whipped cream in a hole there. That's when you know it's perfect. That needs to stay on for about a little while. See, you don't need to just use the white fluffy bread like this one. You can use whole wheat, spotted grain, sprouted grain, or rye as all types of bread you can use. It's completely your preference. As in that, as in bread. And now it's done. So we need to grab a fork now. Perfecto! It's your egg in a basket. It's delicioso. Delicioso. So it does taste actually pretty nice, but well, hopefully you have a really fun time putting together this awesome meal of your own and having a really energizing breakfast. Bye.
Composure.
Hi! I can't do this anymore. God!
Yes, you can. I love
Mom, why did you
you. Doing anything there?
Look, I can get
Yeah, like you're making.
Uno, dos, tres, cuartos. Hi, my name is Sebastian Deconia, and welcome to my cooking show. Hi, welcome to my cooking. Thank you, Joe. Oh, come on, can you restart that?
Eye contact. Restart whatever you want.
Don't put your face on the cutting board.